Hey, Jeremy here from LATT SEO. In this video, I'm walking through an audit I did for a prospect to share with them a number of different elements that can be improved and cleaned up on their site from an SEO perspective to help them generate more organic traffic, rank better, and likely generate more revenue as well. Let's get into it.
I wanted to share with you a couple things going on with your website from an SEO perspective that can help you get more traffic, generate more sales, and make more money from your SEO rankings. And before I explain what's going on here, if you go to my site, lattseo.com, you can see this Shopify case study where I was able to help this other website grow by 348% over a 5-year period with year-over-year compounding growth. So absolutely something I can help you out with. And many of these same processes here, I'll be walking through and showing you on your site in this video. So that being said, first thing to look at here is referring domains or are referring domains. A referring domain is a unique instance of a different website on the internet linking to you. And the reason I look at these is because Google does. And Google views referring domains as votes of confidence or trust signals. So you want to have other websites linking to you. And as you get that, Google views your site and ranks your site better in most cases. That being said, the other thing that this helps with is DR or domain rating. Now, domain rating is on a 0 to 100 scale and lets us know how strong or how authoritative a site is, but also how competitive a keyword or phrase is to rank for. So all of that being said, let's look at your keyword data here. And right now I have it filtered to just look at collections here. We can also look at other content as well, but you have a lot of blog content and other articles on the site that are generating traffic, which are great. Absolutely. But I want to look at some quick win potential here for you from a product perspective, because your blog posts, while they may get traffic and help you from that perspective, somebody looking specifically for golf shirts for men, probably more likely to turn into revenue, depending on what the blog topic is, of course. So all these keywords here, you can see 1,652 sorted by search volume per month. And if we look at golf shirts for men, 8,700 people search this every month. You're at position number 6. So it's estimated you're getting about 400 people to your site each month from the 8,700 who are searching for it. Now, as a quick side note here, and this data is probably underreported. You actually probably get more traffic than that, but this is what I have to work with without looking at your analytics. So if we look at golf shirts for men and we look at the full opportunity here, you can see 161 keywords, 12,000 searches per month, 19,000 searches globally. And then if that doesn't include, if we look at like men's golf shirts, there's probably a ton of here as well. So 325 keywords for men's golf shirts, 4,900 searches per month, 7,400 global searches. So massive potential here, as you probably know, but I just like to share that data with you. So next thing to look at then is, why are you ranking 6? How can we improve that? And what needs to be done on your page specifically to compete with somebody like Golf Galaxy or Callaway? So this chart here now shows the top ranking sites in Google. And what I want to look at is the DR column first to see, does it make sense to potentially compete for some of these terms? So we have Golf Galaxy DR 66, Callaway 51, Bad Birdie Golf 46, Tattoo Golf 26, 66 for Travis Matthew, and then you're at 33. So you're actually stronger than one of the top 4 ranking sites and in the ballpark for some of these other ones. So definitely not unheard of for you to be ranking for some of these, this keyword specifically. So what else needs to be done here? If we look at your page here, first thing I see here is golf polos for men, which your title is golf shirts for men. So if I do a view page source here to look at the code, you can see the title, golf shirts for men, seriously fantastic golf polos, only $39.95. And then the description is shop 2024's hottest golf polos for men, moisture wicking 4-way stretch, athletic fit, and breathable. Free shipping when you buy 2. Shop men's golf shirts now. So you do have men's golf shirts in the description here, golf polos for men as well. And then you do have golf shirts for men here. But you have as the H1 here, if I do an inspection for you, H1 is golf polos for men. And if you are completely lost with what I'm doing and what I'm talking about here, basically what I'm looking at is the title and description elements, and then the code elements from an H tag perspective, because Google looks at all these elements to determine what a page should rank for. Now, other thing to look at then is you have all these product listings here and no additional content. So if we look at Golf Galaxy, you have all of the information here, men's golf shirts and tops. Then you have all their products here. And then at the bottom here, they have additional content. So they have some links to articles, and then they have additional content on this page itself. So this is absolutely something that I would recommend having to not only target additional keywords, like you can see here, they're wanting to rank for comfortable golf shirts and polos for men as well. but they have additional content in here to make it easy for Google to understand and easier for them to rank for some of these other keywords. So lots of opportunities here, lots of ways to work to improve things. And then they also have categories here with additional internal links. So these are all processes that I can help you out with, making sure that titles and descriptions are set up correctly, internal links, making sure the structure is set up correctly. And then that's usually a one-time process. And then over time, we can also work on link building, content marketing, and content article generation as well to make sure that we are targeting the best keywords and phrases and continuing to build content that makes sense.
Hope you got some value from that video. If you did, subscribe to my channel. It would help me out. I'd appreciate it. And if you're looking for help with your SEO, fill out the contact form in the description or in the comment section of the video here. And I'll take a look at your website, your details, and see how I can best help you improve your organic SEO, generate more traffic, and improve your revenue as well.